Hello, this is Bill Coulterman. This demo on using AutoSum is from my Excel 2010 training course. Okay, we have a very simple worksheet here, just a small table of some of our sales data, and what we want to do is add it up. So very simply, we're going to go in here, we're going to select this cell B10 in our total row, and I already showed you in a previous lesson in our basic formulas how we could write this out. Well, what we're going to do now is make that a little bit easier using one of Excel's great features, the AutoSum. All right, first thing we're going to do is go up here, and you see this little symbol here. It looks like a kind of a crazy E. That's our sigma or the sum button. I'm going to click that, and there's a lot of stuff happening on there, but the most important thing is, look right here, it's writing our formula for us. It starts with an equal sign. Then the word sum. Sum is our function. And then in parentheses, B4 colon B9. And we'll notice that we have our dancing ants around all of those cells that we want to sum, that we want to add up. And these are also highlighted in black, but I'm going to get to that in just a minute. Let's go back to and let's start by talking about that colon. What exactly does that mean? The colon is simply an operator. It's our range operator. It's telling Excel, add the range from B4 through B9. And that's what it did. It selected that whole range. And if I go ahead now and remember, what do we do to finish our formula, to calculate it? We hit enter. It gives me that answer. It went ahead and added up that range of B4 through B9. Now, how did it know to pick those cells? Well, when you use the AutoSum, Excel has a specific order that it looks for things. It first looks to the left to try and find values. Well, it went over here and didn't see anything it could add. It can't add the word total. Then it goes up and it found, hey, look, here's a bunch of numbers. But it stopped here because first quarter isn't a number that it could add up. So it simply selected all of those and gave us our answer. Let's go ahead and let's try another one. This time, let's go to our Formulas tab, and we'll see that we have AutoSum here as well. Same thing. Very simple. Now, let's go ahead here. Let's actually write that formula using our sum. So we'll start with equals, the word sum. Now, you see this list here that just popped up. This is my function autocomplete. So if I just simply start to type in a few letters from our function, it'll go ahead and give me these options so I can click on those. Let's say I wanted that. I could just click on it and it would type it all in there for me. But we're simply sticking with equals sum, then in parentheses, our range, which is D4 through D9. And this little banner here, this little pop-up, this is my syntax. This shows me my function syntax, which is function, and then in parentheses, my range. Let's close our parentheses. Remember, we have to do that, and hit enter. We've got our answer that way. I can also do this like this. I can select all of the numbers that I want to add up, all my values, leaving one empty cell down here for the answer, and click my AutoSum there.
Thanks for watching. For more information regarding our training, please visit www.trainsignal.com.